Hello, I am going to go over the assignment that we went over today and go through each one by one to try and further assist you with learning how to utilize the pen tool. First thing you want to make sure is that you are working in Essentials Classic. So if you are in regular Essentials, please choose Essentials Classic. That way you get your control toolbar up at the top. The next thing you want to do is your fill color needs to be empty. So with this selected, go ahead and click none, so there's no fill color. And then if you would like to change your stroke color, you may do so. I'm going to change mine. Oh, let's go crazy with a gradient here. And I'm going to increase the stroke so that you can see each line. And now with that said, I'm going to choose the pen tool. Make sure that you're using the pen tool, not any of these that look like the pen tool. You want to verify that you are in fact using this pen tool. All right, we're going to start here at the first one. And these we are just clicking and letting go. So I'm going to click, 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 and I'm clicking and I'm just following in numerical order. Click, 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 and then when I get back to the top, I finish it off so that it closes off the star. All right, next one is the Christmas tree. I'm going to click at 1. I'm going to click at 2. And now it talks about holding down Shift. Shift provides you an opportunity to make a completely straight line. You can see that when I have Shift down and if I move my arrow around, it will make a completely straight line. So I'm going to hold down Shift and click at 3. Then I'm going to let go of Shift. Now I'm coming down to 4 and I'm going to click. Now I'm going to hold down Shift, click at 5. Let go of Shift. Go down to 6, click. Hold down Shift, click at 7, Shift, click at 8, a Shift, click at 9, Shift, click at 10, and Shift, click at 11. We can do all those because those are all straight lines. Now, going to 12 is not a straight line, so do not hold down Shift. Shift, click at 13, click at 14, Shift, click at 15, and then close off the Christmas tree. All right, number 2 is our circle. So for this one, I'm going to start at 1. I'm going to click and hold and drag to 2. Then I'm going to go down to 3 and repeat. Click and hold and drag down to 4. Go to 5, click and hold, drag to 6. 7, click and hold, drag to 8. And then you want to close off your circle, come back to 1, click and hold, drag to 2 to complete your circle. All right, this kind of squiggly line. We're going to click and hold and we're going to drag to each one. So I'm going to click and hold and drag from 1 to 2, let go. I'm going to come down to 3, click and hold, drag to 4. I'm going to come down here to 5, click and hold, drag to 6. I'm going to come down, click on 7, hold, drag to 8. Click and hold, drag to 9, 9 to 10, and then escape to finish off the pen. All right, number 3. These also, it looks confusing, but you're just clicking, holding, and dragging to the next number. So from 1 to 2, click and hold 1 to 2. Then I'm going to locate 3, click and hold, drag to 4. Then I'm going to locate 5, click and hold and drag to 6. Then I'm going to locate 7, click and hold, drag to 8, then 9, drag to 10, 11, drag to 12, 13, drag to 14, 15, drag to 16, 17, drag to 18, 19, drag to 20, and then you want to finish off the flower by going up to 1 and dragging to 2. And that creates that little flower. All right, number 4. I'm going to click and hold and drag down to 2. Then I'm going to click on 3 and let go. So I click on 3 and let go and my line shows up. Now I'm going to hold down Shift. I'm going to click at 3 and I'm going to drag down to 4 and let go. That way I bring my anchor point down to 4, so now my line is curved again. I'm going to click at 5 and let go. Then I'm going to hold down Shift, I'm going to click, and I'm going to drag down to 6. And again, now it makes my line curved. So left click at 7 and let go. Then Shift, click, drag from 7 to 8. And then click at 9 and escape. All right, so that's the first page. Second page, we're going to start with this squiggly here. Let me zoom in. All right, so I'm going to click and hold from 1 to 2. This one, I'm going to click and hold from 3 to 4, and I'm not going to let go of my click, okay? So I'm going to left click and hold 3 to 4. Don't let go, and press down Alt, and now move from 4 over to 5. Then let go of everything. So your line shouldn't show up until after you hold down Alt and bring it from 4 to 5. So watch that again here. So I'm going to left click, hold 6 to 7. Press Alt, bring the anchor point around to 8, and then let go of everything. Click, hold from 9 to 10. Don't let go of your click. Press Alt, bring 10 to 11. Let go. 12 to 13. Don't let go of your click. Press Alt. 13 to 14. And to finish it off, 15 to 16, and then you can hit escape. All right, number 6. I'm going to click and hold, drag from 1 to 2. And then I'm going to click and hold and drag from 3 to 4. Now I'm going to go back over 3. I'm going to hold down Shift and I'm going to click once. That brings my anchor point back up to right here so that I can do a straight line. So now I'm going to click at 6. Click and let go. Now I'm going to hold down Shift and I'm going to drag 6 up to 7 and let go. So let's try that again here. So I'm going to go 8. I'm going to click and hold, drag 8 down to 9 and let go. I'm going to come back over 8. I'm going to hold down Shift and click once and let go. Now I can do my straight line. I'm going to click at 11 and let go. Now I'm going to Shift, click and hold and drag from 11 to 12. I'm going to click and drag down 13 to 14. Let go. I'm going to come back up over 13, Shift, click. I'm going to click at 16. Then I'm going to Shift, click and hold and drag from 16 to 17. To finish it off, I'm going to go down 18 to 19, and then I'm going to hit escape. All right, number 7, the tree. This one is going to utilize a couple different tools, the Alt, the Shift at some point. So one, we're going to click and press and hold and drag up to 2. Then we're going to find 3 and we're going to click and hold and go 3 to 4. It wants the handle from 4 to go up to 5, so I'm not going to let go. I'm going to press Alt and I'm going to take the handle up to 5 and let go then. I'm going to do the same thing here. 6 to 7, don't let go. Press Alt and take 7 to 8. I'm going to click and hold on 9 out to 10. Don't let go. Press down Alt and take it from 10 to 11. Now there are 2 12s because this 12 is for the trunk and this 12 is for the tree. So we're going to use this top 12 right here. And I'm going to click and hold 12 and drag to 13. Then I'm going to press Alt and take 13 down to 14. Then I'm going to go 15 to 16, then Alt 16 to 17, let go. Click and hold 18 to 19, don't let go of your click, press down Alt, 19 to 20. 21 to 22, don't let go of your click, press Alt, 22 to 23. 24 to 25, don't let go, press down Alt, 25 to 26, and then I come right back over my anchor point and go 27, 27 up to 28. I don't think I finished that off though, but that's good enough for now for what y'all are doing. I'm going to use my direct selection tool to bring that, to close it off. Okay. So now I'm going to move on to the trunk. You do not have to worry about closing that off for now. You can just click to draw 27 to 28. Okay, so I'm going to start here at 1. I'm going to click and I'm going to go down to 2 and I'm going to click, and then I'm going to shift click down to 3. That way I can get that kind of little curve. I'm going to click 4 and drag out to 5. Then I need to shift and click back on top of 4 so that my line comes back right there. So I'm going to come over here to 7. Click, and then I'm going to shift, click, and drag it to 8. I'm going to click 10, drag up to 11. And then I'm going to go up and click at 12. All right, the curves. I'm going to click and press on 1, drag up to 2. Oh, I was still attached. Y'all see that? So I need to hit escape. And now I can start again. 1 to 2. All right, I'm going to take 3 down to 4. Okay, I'm looking at this one real quick. Okay. Then I'm going to shift click and take that one down to 6 so that I can get this bigger. I'm going to click and take 7 to 8, and then I'm not going to let go. I'm going to hold down Alt, and I'm going to move 8 to 9. Then I'm going to do 10 to 11, and then I'm going to hold down, what does it say? Control, and I'm going to bring 11 back to 12 to shorten that up. And then I'm going to do 13. Whoops. 13 to 14. I'm going to redo this one for you so you can see it again. All right, I'm going to click 1 to 2. Then I'm going to go 3 to 4. Then I'm going to hold down Shift and drag 4. Oh, what just happened? Oh, Control, not Shift. I'm sorry. Okay, let's start again. 1 to 2. See, it's easy for anybody to get confused. Then I'm going to go 3 to 4 and let go. Then I'm going to do Control and take 4 down to 6. That wasn't right either. What is happening? 1 to 2, 3 to 4. Oh, there, you got to make sure you're over the handle to take it down. Okay. Oh, what happened to my stuff here too? The fill color got put back on. My stroke color got taken off. Don't know what happened there. Okay, let's try this again. Stroke color, fill none. Okay. 1 to 2. See, it automatically put a stroke color in. I'm going to take that off. Okay. Got to watch that. 3 to 4. Then I'm going to Control click and take 5 down to 6. It's really a 4-5. 7 to 8. And then I'm not letting go. I'm going to hold down Alt. Take 8 to 9. Then I'm going to do 10 to 11, let go, Control 11 down to 12, and then 13 to 14. And of course the lines are a little bit smaller because it undid everything. There you go. And that's how you finish that one. And that is the basics of your pen tool.